Hi, my name is Sylvie. I help moms feel great and lose weight by healing their gut and nourishing their body with superfoods. On this channel, you will get simple recipes and practical tips that will transform your health. The best part is you won't feel overwhelmed or deprived. Today's video is about using detox smoothies for weight loss. Smoothies are detoxifying by nature because they provide your body with a boost of nutrition and are easier to digest than a regular meal. They also help you lose weight by limiting your caloric intake and help you break the craving cycle. I will share my favorite detox smoothies for weight loss recipes along with a 5-day diet plan you can follow to help you reach your health goals. All the recipes are vegan and paleo. If you research online, you will find lots of skeptical articles about detoxes for weight loss, many claiming that detoxes are a waste of time and money. I beg to differ. Your body will definitely hold on to the extra weight if you're eating inflammatory foods and keep assaulting your body with toxins from your food and the environment. Smoothies are the easiest and most convenient way to flood your body with an abundance of nutrients from fresh fruits and vegetables. Smoothie detoxes can help you lose weight because smoothies provide your body with extra nutrients, which helps with healing and reducing inflammation. Smoothies take the place of other inflammatory foods you might consume instead, and they cut down the number of calories you would otherwise consume. My smoothies are filling and sustaining. They contain around 500 calories. Regular meals can easily include anywhere from 500 to 700 calories. Just check a restaurant menu. Also, smoothies reduce your craving. The fiber and all the vitamins and minerals in your smoothies help you feel satisfied longer and not crave unhealthy foods. If you haven't been able to lose weight, try the 5-day smoothies for weight loss diet plan I provide with this video. The diet plan includes healthy fruit and vegetable smoothie recipes that will make you feel energized and help you lose the weight. There are a few ways that you can do this 5-day detox for weight loss diet plan. You can have your coffee with a healthy fat in the morning, replace lunch with a detox smoothie, and have your regular healthy dinner, but keep it at around 500 calories. Or you can drink 2 smoothies a day for 5 days. Or you can have your coffee for breakfast, your smoothie for lunch, and an avocado for dinner. Any of these options will amount to between 800 and 1100 calories a day. This extended restricted calorie fast has many benefits. It boosts your metabolism, promotes cell regeneration, and floods your body with nutrients for healing. It's inspired by the fasting mimicking diet. And if you're curious about the fasting mimicking diet, check the video that I am linking here. But for now, let's just get started with our detox smoothies for weight loss recipes. To do the 5-day diet plan, if you have 1 detox smoothie a day, you will need 2.5 cups of coconut kefir, 3 bananas, 1 avocado, 1 apple, 1 head of romaine lettuce, 1 carrot, 1.5 cups of chopped cauliflower, 1 thumb of ginger, 2 tablespoons of cocoa nibs or cocoa powder. You will also need 1 cup of frozen mango, 1.5 cups of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen blackberries, 1 beet, 8 dates, 3 Brazil nuts, 1 cucumber, 2 tablespoons of MCT oil, and 2 tablespoons of almond butter. And on day 1, you'll be making a green detox smoothie. You will need 1.5 cups of liquid, 1 frozen banana, 1 cucumber, 1 apple, half an avocado, and a small thumb of ginger, 1 head of romaine lettuce, and lastly, your green superfood powder. Now you're going to add all your ingredients to your blender and blend it. The next smoothie I'll be showing you is my creamy mango smoothie recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of liquid, 1 cup of frozen mango, 1 frozen banana, 1 carrot, and half a cup of chopped cauliflower, and a fiber blend. It's always a good idea to put a fat in your smoothie. Our next recipe is my choco banana smoothie. First, you will need a cup and a half of liquid, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of chopped cauliflower, 2 tablespoons of cocoa nibs, and 4 dates. Lastly, I like to add a fiber blend to make it even more filling. Next, my cauli strawberry smoothie recipe. You will need a cup and a half of liquid, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 frozen banana, half a cup of cauliflower, your fiber blend, and 3 basil nuts. And our last recipe is a blackberry beet smoothie recipe. As usual, you'll need about a cup and a half of liquid, a cup of frozen fruit, half a cup of chopped beet, your fiber blend, and 2 to 4 dates. And don't forget your healthy fat. That's it for our smoothie recipes. We're just about to do a taste test, so stay tuned.
I like this one the most, the orange one.
That's the mango one.
I want to try this one. I'm trying them all.
I'm trying them all. The green one is the closest.
Actually, no matter.
I like the pink one. Okay, and this is
My favorite is the almond butter one.
That's the chocolate one.
I like the mango.
So what do you think? Are you going to try these recipes? And maybe you are going to start with the mango smoothie, or maybe you are going to jump in with the whole 5-day diet plan. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to make sure you never miss out. Thanks for watching.